Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error uploading server rejected in Gmail. This usually happens when your Gmail account storage is full, and I'll guide you step by step to free up space quickly. First, log into your Gmail account and click on the grid icon over here on the top right and select Google Drive from the menu. This is what it looks like. Okay. Inside your G drive, sort your files by size. Look for the largest or large items like, for example, videos, resolution images, or all documents you no longer need. Select the files you want to remove, like for example, this. Okay. I'm going to select this, and then you will have the option to remove it over here, move the trash, or I can right click and move the trash. Okay. Then go to your trash folder on the left sidebar over here. Then you can easily click empty trash or permanently delete the files and free up storage space. Let me show you. Okay. I'm going to delete this. And as you can see, empty trash, or I can delete this forever. Okay. And that's it. You've freed up space in your G account, which should resolve the Gmail server rejected error. Now you can upload attachments without any hassle, or you can simply upgrade your account to get more storage and choose various plans in here. And that's it. You're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.